Hi, I'm Mackenzie.
Hi, I'm Parker.
And we're gonna do a Chinese food mukbang.
50 sub special.
Yeah. I got some
That.
and Parker got
Fried dumplings.
So, in my most recent video, I answered a bunch of questions with my friend Emmy. Titled it Best Friend Challenge, and Emmy is my best friend, but I have multiple of those. As, you know, why have just one best friend when you can have a bunch? This is Parker, one of my other best friends. We are going to answer some questions. Instead of it being just a regular quiz time, the mukbang time. Hi, Jasmine. There's Jasmine. What's my birthday?
March.
Yeah.
I always either think it's the 5th or 6th.
When did we meet? I don't remember.
Like 2nd grade, but we weren't friends.
We had a 2nd grade class together?
No, I just knew of you,
Oh, yeah.
and I think we may have had an encounter. We weren't really friends until Girl Scouts.
Yeah, Girl Scouts really made us friends. I'm gonna get drinks.
I started as a junior, and then we were all really excited because we were cadets.
And we made up a song about it?
Yeah, we were so excited to go up the Girl Scout chain, and then we disbanded. Then we started going to the same school, and that was it. He's squished. Oh, I never get dumplings.
You never get Chinese food?
No, I just get like a combo with like chicken and broccoli, but I was like, I'm not gonna eat all that. So let me just get this. I'm gonna burp, but it's not happening.
If I get kidnapped, would you come get me?
Yes. I had a chance to like kick someone's ass, like kill someone, like, okay. That's what I care about. There it is.
It is our favorite movie to watch together.
I feel like a movie I couldn't watch without you is Rent. Because I need you to console me.
Yeah, it's true.
There's things we watched though.
What is our favorite movie? You're wearing socks.
You're right, how did I forget? Howl's Moving Castle. That is such a good movie. It's the best movie in the entire world. It's a good movie. What's your like funnest memory with me?
I mean, I enjoyed competing with you at a melting pot over who could eat more.
That was a lot of fun.
I also remember when you drank this.
Ew, at your birthday party last year.
But the thing
Are those
is,
videos somewhere?
yeah.
They're horrible.
I'll find them. Here.
Ready?
Go.
Chug. Oh.
Keep going, keep going.
Oh my gosh.
No! Go in my bathroom right now.
No, don't do it! I'm gonna keep going! Take it out.
Are you guys actually going to throw up?
I might.
Oh my god, go in my bathroom right now.
And then you'll just
Why are you still out here?
be able to eat more Chinese food after.
Just me chugging all of this and then dying.
So,
It's really gross, don't do it. You'll see God.
But then why do you play like that? Why? Does it sound like
what is my favorite color?
I don't know.
What do you think? If I got a tattoo, what would it be?
I feel like you're gonna get one of those like finger tattoos. Or like a Disney tattoo.
I know what you want to get tattooed.
There's a lot of things I want to get tattooed.
Centipede.
Yep. You remember where?
On your back. Down your spine.
Hell yeah.
Have we ever gotten in trouble together? Have we?
Not like real trouble.
No. If anything, just like being dumb at sleepovers.
Staying up till 4 o'clock in the morning and having our friend's dad just being like, go the fuck to bed. Oh wait.
What?
This wasn't together, but this was me when I got in trouble and then I came to your house. Yeah, so it was like a crisp 8th grade, I want to say, middle of 8th grade. And I decided my hair was like long, down to like here easily. And I decided I want bangs. So I was gonna cut them to like right here-ish. So I just had like a little bit in the front. And I cut them and they were like here. And I couldn't fix it, so I came over to her house. And I was like, help!
Because Parker used to live like
Down the street.
down the street from me, like right down the street from me. And now it's just a little farther down the street. You called me and you were like, can I come over to your house? I did something really dumb. And then you like sent me a picture of it and I was like, and this is when you had like your crappy Android, so it was all like bad quality. And I was like, what did you do? I thought you were messing with me. What is my favorite band? Panic?
Probably not, actually.
Yeah, I don't think it's Panic. Panic's one of my favorites, but it's not like my all-time
Yeah.
favorite. I know your favorite.
What?
Queen.
Yes.
What is my favorite instrument?
Berry sax.
I think so. I think Barry might be my
We
favorite
stand
instrument.
the berry sax here.
Barry sax is probably my favorite instrument at the moment, but there's a chance I might be auditioning for college with my clarinet.
Woo!
So this has become a video of me asking Parker questions because Parker cannot.
And then me getting off topic.
Yeah, Parker cannot like
I can't
comprehend questions. Right, well, we have to go, but it was a fun time. I enjoyed it. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like my stuff, go check out more. Thank you for 50 subscribers. That's what this whole video is about. Like, seriously, thank you. I'm
Look at you.
over the moon about it. Like, the fact that, like, 50 people were like, subscribe.
We're coming for you, T-Series.
Subscribe to PewDiePie. Goodbye.